In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Pokemon Go game app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll uninstall the app. Now to get started, go to your phone and look for Google Play Store. That is if you are using Android smartphone like me. However, if you are on iPhone, you should look for App Store. Tap on it and here search for the app by name. Just search like that, and if you run your search, you can see we have our Pokemon Go app. Tap on it to see details. Now at the time of recording this app had a star rate of 3.8 with over 14 million reviews, so it is widely used and it has a lot of reviews. Currently the file size is around 163 MBs, so you need to have enough space, and this game app has been downloaded over 500 million times. And this is the official company that made this app, Niantic Incorporation, and this is the current logo. So if you see all these details, you will know that you have the right Pokemon Go app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Pokemon Go game app and install it on your smartphone. Now once the game app has been installed, you can proceed and start playing, and this is the welcoming interface when you open the app. So that's how you can install the right Pokemon Go app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.